Okay, whatever this stuff is, it is all over my hands. And now it's all over our bunny. Because now he's pink and brownish red or whatever this is. We just have no idea what it is. What's up with this? Hello everyone and welcome back to another Playmo YT toy review. Today we're taking a look at the Playmobil set number 70156, the Magician, part of the Special Plus line, and we are really excited about this one. We've had it in our possession for about a week now, so I'm eager to get this open today. As you can see, it's part of the Special Plus line. My wife actually found this in Southwest Virginia while visiting family, and yeah, it's basically the Magician. Starting off with another Playmobil picture. We've got a magician with a rabbit and his box, and I guess this is where he keeps like his hat and his cape and his other tricks and things. Yeah, that's all I gotta say about it. Looking on this side here, we have a continuation of that front picture. On the other side, we have the Special Plus name there and the barcode, as well as the Playmobil brand logo and the YouTube brand logo, believe it or not. Sorry, gotta get this in focus here. The back has the various choking hazard warnings in different languages, and of course our contents pictured individually, except the box here is covered up by the price tag. Then the bottom has more of the choking hazards in various languages. So I don't know about you, but I'm ready to open this up. Let's do it. Alright, here we have everything outside of the box. I know I don't normally go through all the contents, like all the little catalogs and the instruction booklets and everything, but I am today. I just wanted to really take a look at this box before I opened it, just to see what it is, and apparently that's all it is. It's a box. It's not a hidden cabinet or anything. Nothing you can store anything behind, like the snack bar, like we opened up on our debut video here. I guess they have a little tab there for the rabbit to get stuck on? I don't know. We'll take a look and find out for sure. Alright, so enough of that. I was wondering if there was like some sort of special magic trick gimmick as part of the Magician set here. Wow. Ugh. I mean, this doesn't look... It feels funny. It's kind of dusty, too. I don't know if you can... Yeah, you can see that on camera. It's weird. Hold on. It feels... It has a weird residue on it, too. What is up with that? Alright. So here's the... Oh, I think it does have a little magic gimmick to it. I think I'm figuring this out here. Don't hold me to it, but I think I figured it out. Alright, so we have the box assembled. It's got a weird gritty feel. It doesn't smell or anything, but it just feels funny. It's not powdery. It just kind of has a dry feel to it. Okay, let's put the bunny right here for right now. Let's assemble our guy. Cool figure, nice vest, definitely a showman type outfit. Pants look like they could be dark jeans. Maybe he's got a date after the show. Very tight limbs, wow. Wow. It takes a little bit of effort to move his head. And his arms, believe it or not. They're not as tough to move normally. And I think I feel that same weirdness on the cape, but it's not as prominent. Whoops. There's his hat. This hat's got some sparklies. Let me see if I can show show you that. There, see? It's got a little sparklage there. Here we have his magic wand. Very cool when fully assembled here. Let's zoom back out. Yeah, I like this. This looks good. Interesting that they gave him a silver cape and not a black cape. But I guess that would probably be a little too predictable. But other than that, he's got the same regular 5 points of articulation: head, arms, lower torso, and each wrist. That can move. Oh, well, the wrists move better than the arms and head do. All right, so let's. Oh, here's our bunny. There we go. Yep. All right. And so I think I've figured this thing out already. So there's a little tab on the top of the box, and there's a hole underneath the rabbit. You just put it in there, and I guess, and I'm not sure, let me get this in focus again. I thought it'd be a little bit more dynamic than that. But yeah, it just rotates. Here you see it, here you don't. Now you see it, now you don't. And that's a very clever little tool that Playmobil has provided us. I do like it. I think it could have been better executed. But I think it's okay. It's all about imagination anyway. So, excuse me, I don't know what's going on with that. That is pretty much all we gotta go over, guys. I like it. I think it'll be great for dioramas and my toy photography. And speaking of which, please follow us on Instagram. Follow us at playmo.af or playmoaf, depending on how you see it. And we'll see you in the next one. We got more videos on the way. So have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.